There's a lot of hype around music marketing on the internet these days, and if you're a musician who's getting sucked into the idea, you're missing out on a massive opportunity. So I admit, the idea is incredibly appealing. But here's the problem. Have you ever tried to get anybody's attention online? It is impossible. If you're a musician, and maybe you're not a fan of that idea, maybe you're like, I want to play live, man. There's a massive opportunity to leverage your live show to get people's attention. So to see what I mean, I want you to picture this. You're on stage, you're about to perform your best song, and you have the audience's undivided attention. So what you do is you tell them, hey, I want you guys to pull out your phone and go to this page and download the song we're about to play right now. What do you think would happen? People would download the freaking song. The first time I tried this with my band, we got 50 people to sign up at one show. So don't get sucked into the hype that you have to do everything online. You can use your live performance as a way to get people into your music marketing funnel or on your landing page or to sign up for your email list. But online, it's so hard to get people to pay attention. So if you want to learn more about some of this stuff, I'm going to be sharing what my band has been doing to get some of these leads and make money from our live performances in an upcoming webinar. If you want to sign up, all you got to do is click the link in the description of this video or this button, and I will see you there. So if you like this video, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.